That bottle right there has been hanging from my porch since the first week of June. Count the wasps inside it. 43 dead wasps in 11 days. Not one live wasp has landed on my porch since I hung it. Not on the railing, not near the door, not near the grill, nothing. $1 of materials, an empty bottle, 11 days. My porch is mine again. And here is the part that changes everything. Those 43 dead wasps were not random wasps. Every single one of them was a scout. And killing a scout before it returns to the colony means the colony never finds out your porch exists. You are not just killing wasps, you are erasing your property from their map. Here is what is actually happening on your porch in June that most people do not understand. A wasp colony does not randomly appear at your house in August. It finds your house in June. Here is how. In June, wasp queens who survived the winter emerge and begin building new colonies. They send out scout wasps. These are workers whose entire job is to locate two things: food sources and nesting sites. They fly in expanding circles from the nest, searching for both. When a scout finds a food source, your open soda can, your grill residue, your fruit bowl near the screen door, it returns to the colony and communicates the location. Within 24 hours, worker wasps are making regular trips to that food source. Within a week, your porch is on their foraging route. By August, when the colony has grown to 5,000 wasps, your porch is their established territory and you cannot use it without getting stung. The trap does not work by killing random wasps. It works by killing scouts before they return to report. A scout that flies into your bottle and drowns never makes it back to the colony. The colony sends another scout. That scout drowns. The colony eventually stops sending scouts to your area because none of them return. Your porch disappears from their intelligence map. They establish foraging routes elsewhere. By the time the colony reaches full size in August, your porch is not on any of their maps, and you never see them. This is why June matters. Every wasp your trap catches in June is worth 100 wasps caught in August. In June, you are destroying intelligence. In August, you are only managing numbers. If nobody ever explained this to you before, hit like right now. Because pest control companies have no interest in a $1 solution you install in June, that means you never call them in August. Here is what the pest control industry actually sells you and why it does not solve the problem. Raid Wasp Spray costs $8 to $12. It kills every wasp you can spray directly. The range is 15 to 22 feet. You spray a nest, kill the wasps visible on it, and go inside. By the next morning, the colony has already reorganized. Wasps that were foraging when you sprayed have returned to find the nest damaged. They rebuild. New eggs hatch. The colony continues. You spray again in 2 weeks. The cycle continues until cold weather ends it in October. The average American family buys 3 to 4 cans of wasp spray per summer. That is $30 to $40 per summer for a solution that never eliminates the colony. It only manages your exposure to it. A professional nest removal costs between $150 and $400, depending on nest location and size. The technician sprays the nest with a professional pyrethroid, waits for the colony to die, and removes the nest structure. Effective, but only for that nest. The same porch conditions that attracted the first colony attract the second colony the following June. Your $1 trap hung in June intercepts the scouts before the colony ever establishes. You spend $1 in June and your porch is clear all summer. The math is not complicated. Here is exactly how to build it. Take any clean plastic bottle. A 2-liter soda bottle works best because the size holds more attractant and catches more wasps before needing to be refreshed. A 16-ounce water bottle works if that is what you have. Cut the bottle about 1/3 of the way down from the top. You now have a top piece and a bottom piece. Flip the top piece upside down and set it inside the bottom piece like a funnel. The narrow opening of the bottle cap end now points downward into the larger bottom section. This is the trap mechanism. Wasps fly down through the funnel following the scent, reach the liquid below, and cannot navigate back up through the narrow opening. They drown. Pour your attractant mixture into the bottom section. Here is the formula. Half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves. The apple cider vinegar mimics the smell of fermenting fruit, which is the primary food signal wasps search for in early summer. The sugar amplifies the sweetness of the signal. The dish soap breaks the surface tension of the liquid so that wasps that touch the surface sink immediately instead of floating and potentially escaping. Tape the seam where the funnel meets the bottom section. Use electrical tape or duct tape to seal the joint so the liquid cannot leak. Punch 2 small holes near the rim of the bottom section on opposite sides. Thread a piece of string or wire through both holes and tie a loop for hanging. That is the complete trap. Total construction time is 4 minutes. Here is where to hang it and why placement determines everything. Wasps follow air currents and heat gradients when scouting. They fly along the edges of structures more than through open space. The most effective placement is near the corners of your porch or deck, under the eaves where the roof meets the wall, and within 6 feet of any outdoor eating or cooking area. Do not hang it directly above where you sit. Hang it 6 to 10 feet away from your primary seating area. You want to attract scouts toward the trap before they reach your space, not draw them through the space to get to the trap. The trap works best in partial shade. Full sun evaporates the attractant faster and also makes fermentation happen too quickly, which changes the smell profile. A spot that gets morning sun and afternoon shade is ideal for most porches. Hang 1 trap at each corner of your porch or deck. If you have a covered entrance, 1 near each side of the door. Most porches need 2 to 3 traps for complete coverage. Replace the liquid every 2 to 3 weeks. Dead wasps accumulate, and eventually the liquid becomes less effective as an attractant. Empty the trap, rinse it, and refill with fresh mixture. The bottle itself lasts all season. Here is the detail that doubles the effectiveness of your trap. Add a small piece of raw meat or lunch meat to the mixture in late spring and early June. Wasps in early colony building season are hunting protein to feed larvae as well as sugar for adult energy. The protein signal amplifies the attractant for the exact wasp behavior you want to intercept, the scouts. By midsummer, remove the meat from the mixture as the colony shifts toward pure sugar foraging. One honest note on limitations. The trap eliminates scouts and significantly reduces wasp presence on your property. If there is an established nest directly on your structure, inside a wall void, under the eave board, in a shed corner, the trap alone will not eliminate that nest. Wasps defending an established nest require direct treatment of the nest. The trap prevents establishment. It does not replace direct nest treatment for an already existing colony. If you find an established nest, treat it at night when all foragers have returned and wasps are least active. A 15-foot range pyrethroid spray applied directly to the nest opening at night is the standard removal. Then hang traps to prevent re-establishment the following spring. Drop in the comments and tell me how bad your wasp situation is on your porch this summer. And tell me your state, because yellow jackets in Georgia behave differently from paper wasps in Ohio and bald-faced hornets in the Pacific Northwest, and I want to give you the specific attractant adjustment that works best for your species. If this just gave you your porch back for $1, hit subscribe. Every week, I put out something the pest industry quietly hoped you never built. Last week, it was the $4 paste that wipes out entire ant colonies in 72 hours. The week before that, the $4 foundation barrier that stops insects before they ever map your house. They charge you all summer for something you can solve in 4 minutes with an empty bottle. Earl out.